ban Kynmaw burom iaka lingko sngi kha ka bashispa sanpo snam uwei na unong ilam bakraw kari usardar Vallabhai Patel ban ubala tipru kum the Iron Man of India ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka jila haringkat ka jingatray lang bat ka Mai Bharat Meghalaya lembat ka kinhun NSS mentang singi la pelong ka jingyat ka jat pai ba ubala tip kum ka Unity March kabla stang na Indo Stadium umning kadan wat pen kot pan ha plau ka Ribhoi College. Kumban pen pau ka ni ka Unity March ka de ka way na ka campaign ni ka jingyalap bala tipru kum ka Sardar Adrin 150 Unity Campaign ha ka bala palat padba ha kan reutarek risau arhajar pesan daw Dr. Mansuk Mandavia kum Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng bapet ya katanat Youth Affair and Sports kabalong shibenta pan Kynmaw burom ya ka jingdap shispa sanpo snam usardar Vallabhai Patel ubade uwe na unong yalam bakraw hakari lapen pau pai baru bakathong jang kani ka Unity March ni ka campaign kani ka thong ban wan ra ikata ka mensiam jong ka jingetali ka mensiam ban yakun ban kintiu kari patru bandon kata ka jingit kli na ka benta ka bha kamian jong ka imlang ka salang haba pelong ya kani ka Unity March ka bla tip ru ka Sardar Adrit 150 Unity Campaign la wan man shimenta no ba el heng o Menteri Sarkar Barim bat Emily ka pentor kum kongsan bat uba Miralbon sim Emily ka nongpo kum sembot kongsan kiwe kibele don lang hakani kasngi kentum yau Abilash Baranwa u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi uba Omasar Additional Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi ka kong Birani EDC ka Ribhoi u Michael May Director ka Mai Bharat Meghalaya batla shimbentaru da ki samla pulie ka skulpa USTM da karwai ka siaw ban penpo penping hakani kasngi
Sharma, Shri Michael Mate, the Deputy and the convener of this Unity March, Shri H. Kynmaw.
Huge role in the initial administration of the entire country as Home Minister. Over here, contributions which have gone far and beyond in ensuring that India is today the country that it is. The first contribution that he made, and which is probably his seminal contribution and is something that was unimaginable at one point of time, that when India got independence in 1947, India was not India as we see today. India was a administrative nightmare. There was British India, and apart from
Privilege for me to present here this morning for this very important program. As a citizen of India, it is our duty to remember such a great personality, late Sardar Vallabhai Patel, on his 150th birth anniversary, in which this Unity March has been organized, and to remember such an eminent personality, I felt very fortunate to myself to be part of this beautiful program this morning. When we remember the legacy
with a meaningful program, a very important program. We assemble here, we are gathering here to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Who is the Sardar Vallabhai Patel? Many young generation will not be much aware about the contribution contributed by this great personality. He was the first Home Minister of India. He's a person who has brought all the about 650 princely states together to make the jurisdictions and the map of our country, India, today. He is a man who always speaking about the unity of all these citizens of our country. Whether it is a caste, creed or religions, we are one. We are no different from which community to the another community. We are all the human being. It is created by one God only. So today, I am very happy that from our party, BJP, and also with the department, they are organizing this program. I'd like to thank the party members also are present here today to ensure that this unity it should not end only when we are marked the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. It should be printed in our mind, the soul, and our spirit. When we are going from here also, we will not allow any discriminations, any hatreds that will be prevails in our life, in the life of our people. And nobody should be allowed that hatred, the discrimination, the misunderstanding among all the people of our country. I'm not saying only the people of our country, even the people of our other country. We are proud to be an Indians, but we have to respect for the people from the other countries also at the same time. We should be above the caste, creeds and religions. We should bring the unity among all the people of our country. So we have seen